So that enable you to create a real world application. So any application that you are designing today, it is based upon the real world. Okay, so as we are facing a problem uh, while retrieve the amount from ATM. अगर ATM machine रू मुझे तबे पैसा टा बाहर करिया चाहूची तो सेतबे कोन हबो ना मते आगु कोन करना जेतरा मो 50 टका भी विथड्रॉ करिवि बैंक रे जाई गोटे फॉर्म फिल अप करिया पड़तला then you are getting a token, then you stand in a queue, then you are getting a amount after 4 hours or 6 hours. So it will take entire whole day for getting a money, so which is very time consuming process. So for that reason, for that problem, we have a solution. We come up with a solution that we're designing the ATM machine software. Then sometimes happen that for going to the ATM machine, which is again taking a time consuming process, because people are standing in a queue, then withdraw the amount. Like when you are facing a problem, the demonetization, at that timing people are standing in a queue to get a amount of money. So that is a main reason the UPI app is coming to the market, like different UPI app we have. Your Phone Pay, Google Pay, and banking app is also present, so which is helping you to get the amount immediately or transfer the amount from one location to the another location immediately. So based upon the real life problem, we are designing the different type of application. The object orientation concept, it enable you to create a real world application. So what are the application or app we are designing today, it is based upon the human needs. The concept of working with file IO stream, it enables the software developer to store and retrieve the information from flat file or text file. So previously what happened, we store the file in a Word, in a text file, like you are using a C programming language, C++ programming language. So in that programming language, it is what you are only able to store the information in a text file. But by using Java programming language, you store the file in a database concept. So you are easily stored in the database. So you can store the data in text file. You can store the data in a database. So both of the cases रे हमें कौन करिबा, हमें फाइल टा को स्टोर करि परिबा कोठी ना, हमें टेक्स्ट फाइल वर्ड फाइल स्टोर करि परिबा, हमें डेटाबेस रे भी स्टोर करि परिबा. And in Java, another concept is present, that is called as the packaging concept. So when you have a complex program, जेतबेले मो पाखरे गोटे complex model दिबो, suppose मो गोटे application बनौची बैंक टाइम, बैंक रे कोन रहिबो ना तारो लोन अकाउंट अछि, क्रेडिट कार्ड अछि, आरडी अकाउंट अछि. तो एते सब जो फीचर गुडा को अछि ताकू जदि मु इंप्लीमेंट करूची, it will take the timing. For a single person it is not happening. For designing any application, we require the three part. One is your user interface, जहां कि हमें डाटा दवा, हमें जो डाटा दउचे सेरा करेक्ट अछि कि नहीं, सेटा चेक हबो by using a business logic. से तुमको वैलिडेट करिवो you are the correct user or not. The code reusability feature of Java and the packaging, it is helping you to divide your complex program into a smaller part. मु छोटो छोटो मॉड्यूल है ताको डिवाइड करी. सपोज मु SBI बैंक पे गोटे एप्लिकेशन बनेली, तो যেতବେଳେ SBI बैंक ପାଇଁ application बनाउछि सेतବେଳେ कोन हबो सेम फीचर जदि एक्सिस बैंक चाहूछि तो मते आउ थरे से प्रोग्राम टा रीडेवलप करबा को पड़िबो कारण मो ऑलरेडी गोटे सपोज जीएसटी जेतବେଳେ आसिला मो जीएसटी फीचर टा ऑलरेडी मो इंप्लीमेंट करिछि का पई ना एसबीआई बैंक पई तो एक्सिस बैंक जेतବେଳେ से रिक्वायरमेंट तार दरकार हबो तो मते आउ थरे रीडेवलप करबा कोनोसी आवश्यकता नै तो ऑटोमेटिक कहा हबो ना जेहेतु मु बनैछि से फीचर रे केवल लोगो कि किछि एडिशनल फीचर को मु ऐड करिवि आउ जहा सेम फंक्शनैलिटी रहिबो तो एटा होची हेल्पफुलनेस ऑफ द कोड रियूजेबिलिटी तो कोड रियूजेबिलिटी जोगु मु गोटे कोड टाको बार बार मु यूज करि परिबि जे पर्यंत मते माने जो जगह रे मते नीड हो म ताको सेठी यूज करि परिबि तो एटा होची कोड रियूजेबिलिटी रो बेनिफिट बुझियला एनी डाउट
Yes, sir.
स्मृति
Yes, sir.
स्मृति सरस्वती एनी डाउट so now I am starting with the Java feature. So Java is an object orientation language that was designed to meet the need for a platform independent language. Platform independency means you can develop your Java programming language and that application can run in any operating system. मो एप्लिकेशन गोटे प्लेटफॉर्म रे बनेबी धर मो विंडो रे बनाउची ताको लिनक्स रे रन करि परिबी यूनिक्स रे रन करि परिबी उबुंटू ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में भी रन करि परिबी सो दैट इट इज कॉल्ड एज द प्लेटफॉर्म इंडिपेंडेंट लैंग्वेज so java is used to create a application that can run in a single system or as well as the distributed network single system रे run हे परिबो आउ distributed network रे यूज हे परिबो माने हमें वेब एप्लिकेशन रे भी हमें यूज करि परिबा जावा माने हमें गोटे एप्लिकेशन जेमति सपोज हमरो वर्ड गोटे रहउची तो वर्ड जते बेला हमें बनाउचे तो वर्ड टे कोन होची गोटे सिस्टम रे सेटा रन होची तपर आउ किछि एप्लिकेशन अछि थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड सेटा यूज हे करू जेमति कि सपोज जीमेल Facebook okay so these are the application is used globally so everywhere it is used so java is used to create a application that can run on a single computer as well as the distributed network so java is used to develop a standalone and internet based application okay माने गोटे सिंगल सिस्टम पे एप्लिकेशन बनै परिबी आ गोटे एमिति वेब एप्लिकेशन बनेबी जोटा मोर सब जगह रे यूज हे परिबी with the increasing use of the internet java has become widely used programming language so everywhere java is used okay so java software works everywhere from smallest device such as you can use in a Microsoft you can use in a oven ने यूज होची तुम्हारा रिमोट कंट्रोल रे यूज होची बाइक रे जो डिजिटल मीटर यूज करा होची तादरे भी जावा यूज होची तो जितने स्मॉलेस्ट डिवाइस रे भी तुम्हारा जावा एप्लीकेशन रन हे पारे तो जावा प्रोग्राम वर्क on any type of compatible device that support java तो जो डिवाइस हमें यूज करबा जे जावा को एक्सेप्ट करिवो बा जेवीएम जोडी थिवो जावा वर्चुअल मशीन जोडी थिवो सेठी हमें जावा एप्लिकेशन को रन करि परिबा. सो इट इज ए पोर्टेबल लैंग्वेज. पोर्टेबल मींस इन एनी डिवाइसेस इट विल रन. जे कौन सी डिवाइस रे चाहिबा से सेठी रन हे पारि. सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज द पोर्टेबल लैंग्वेज. So what is the primary motive behind the Java? So need for a Java. The primary motive behind developing Java was the need for a portable and platform independent language. Portable means any device रे से work करी होबो. Platform independent means any operating system रे भी काम करी होबो. The few type of Java application that we are using, one is application that are use UI, character user interface, application that use GUI. GUI stands for graphic user interface. Here I have to mention CUI stands for character user interface. So what is that character user interface? Character user interface application is run through your command. Suppose if you want to move to the D drive, if I want to go to the D drive, then here I have to mention D colon enter. Okay, so in a graphical user interface application, directly we open my computer, then we open directly D drive. But here we directly move, we write the command line argument. So it is a character user interface. Basically, character user interface application is working. If you see the movie, Mission Mangal, so they controlling the satellite path through the command line application. Through the command line application, railway tracking or navigation system is also going on. So in the different sector it is working. But in advance we have the graphic user interface application. So in a graphic user interface application, which is like GUI, any application that we are using today, it is a graphic user interface application. It is graphic user interface. It is a graphic user interface. Next is Applet. Applet is a program which is earlier used. Use so when the graphical internet has come, माने आगुरु हमरो जो इंटरनेट रे जो फीचर सब आसुतला एटा होची कैरेक्टर में केवल कैरेक्टर होतला सेठी कोनोसी पिक्चर रहनोथिला आ कोनोसी वर्ड हमें कहि परिबा पिक्चर रहइबनी तापरे ऑडियो वीडियो ए सब सपोर्ट करूनथला. तो जेतेबेले ग्राफिक यूजर इंटरफेस आसिला सेतेबेले जावा भी निजो को अपडेट कला फॉर डेवलपिंग ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस एप्लीकेशन. Earlier we are using Applet program, and for running the Applet program we require a browser. Applet हो जो program Java program ये Java रे लिखा हुआ आ ताको रन करिया पई गोटे ब्राउजर रा आवश्यकता है. So at that timing the browser we are using, that browser name is called as a Hot Java. Next is Java Servlet. So Java Servlet is what? Now Java Servlet is a Java technology class which is used to create web application in Java. For creating a web application in Java, we are using Java Applets. Java Servlet. So Java Servlet is a Java technology class which is used to create web application in Java. Okay, so it is a Java technology class which is used to develop web application in Java. For creating a web application in Java, we're using Java applets. Okay. Now packages. So what is the work of packages? So packages, it is used to breaking your program into a smaller module. If you have a complex module, to breaking the complex module into a smaller part, we have the packages. Okay, so when we are using a packages, it is helping you the code reusability concept. Okay, so code reusability concept is used means once you write a program and you can use again and again when there is a need. तो मोटे एग्जांपल देथिले जेमते कि सपोज जीएसटी जतबे इंप्लीमेंट हैला सेतबे कोन हबो ना हमें एक्सिस बैंक पे जीएसटी एप्लीकेशन टा अप्लाई करले एसबीआई बैंक जदि सेटा दरकार होची तो हमें किछि छोटो छोटो मॉडिफिकेशन करी हमें देखो अपलोड करि परिबे. So Java is a platform independent language that enable you to compile an application on one platform and execute it in any platform. Okay, compile the application in one platform. Gote platform re compile karibi and I can use in many applications. Suppose mo window operating system re run kali ताको मो लिनक्स रे यूज करि परिबे उबंटू रे भी यूज करि परिबे तो जोट चाहिए ताको यूज करि परिबे so that it is a platform independent language. So in 1991 a team of software developer at Sun Microsystem in USA was designed a language for consumer electronic device. The Sun Microsystem team is a developer team. They assign a task to develop an application for consumer electronic device. Okay, so this team is headed by James Gosling. This team is headed by James Gosling, and when they develop the language, okay, so when they develop this software, they're taking the help of C++ language and C language. So after developing that application, they found that software is unable to install in customer location. So customer location re seta install hei paribo. ତେଣୁ ସେମାନେ କଣ କଲେ ନା ଗୋଟେ ଚିନ୍ତା କଲେ ଯେ ଆମେ ଏମିତି ଗୋଟେ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ବନେଇବା that should be compatible with any other devices. Now James Gosling and their team sat in a cafeteria in USA and they developed that particular language and they give its name as Oak. Okay, they give its name as Oak. Oak is a tree in USA which gives coffee. The entire developer team is sat in a cafeteria and they think for that, for the good quality of coffee, they able to develop this particular language, so that they give its name as oak. So later oak was renamed to Java. Laterally oak ta Java re renamed hela. So before that it has a name as oak. It is a complete history of Java. In 1990, Sun Microsystem developed a software to manipulate an electronic device. In 1991, a new language named Oak was introduced using most popular object-oriented language C++. In 1994, Sun Microsystem developed a web browser which is called as the Hot Java for running the Java application. So at that timing, the text-based internet is converted to the graphical user interface or graphical internet. So for that, in the 1994, graphical for working with the graphical user interface, this Hot Java has come to the market. In 1995, Oak was renamed to Java. In 1996, Java was established as an object-oriented language. So formally, Java is defined as an object orientation language in the 1996. That is a complete history of your Java. So what are the different characteristics that present in the Java? One is simple, object oriented, compile and interpreted, portable, distributed, and secure. So these are the 5 characteristics that present in the Java. What is that? Simple. A Java programmer doesn't need to know the internal function of Java, such as how memory is allocated to the data. Memory allocation and deallocation is happen in the Java by automatically by using of constructor and destructor. In C and C language, we are using pointer concept for allocating and deallocating the memory. Object orientation, Java support the object orientation approach to develop a program. Okay, so Java is not, we cannot say Java is not a, Java is fully object oriented. So Java is not a fully object oriented. Java support object orientation. Okay, so in the interview face the problem, the interview is asking, Java is an object orientation. Yes, Java is an object oriented program, but it is not fully object oriented program. Okay. We have compiled and interpreted. Java program first compiled, then interpreted. So after program is compiled, so first we store the Java file with the extension of .java by using of Java compiler. So Java compiler is name is Java C. So by using of Java compiler, it convert the source code into bytecode. Bytecode is called as a machine code. As because computer doesn't understand any kind of programming language. Computer only understand the 0 and 1 format. 0 means off, 1 means on. So bytecode, then it is converted to the bytecode, which is represented as the dot class file. So by using of JVM or Java Virtual Machine, we convert this bytecode into the machine code. Like by using of, if JVM is installed in the window, so it is converted to the window machine code. If JVM is installed in the Unix, it converted to the Unix machine code. If JVM contain machine code, then it is machine to information is stored. So here we come to this point. The Java program has compiled then interpreted. After the program is compiled, it is converted to the bytecode. Then Java virtual machine interpret this bytecode into the computer code and runs it. What is the work of interpreter? Interpreter is executing the code in a step-by-step process. So in a Java, we are using both compiler and interpreter. Why? Now suppose if you are using an interpreter, then what happens? Suppose you are having a 100 line and you got the error in a 19 number line. For a 19 number line में जब मोर error आसुची, ताले जब मु interpreter use करिवी, तो 19 number line में मु solution दे देली. Again मु जब compile start करिवी, compilation start होगा from beginning. Means मोर time भी गला, so I am what wastage of my time, then execution is happening. So that the compiler has come. Compiler कौन करिवो ना step by step जदि मोर evaluate होची, then it is good. माने मु सही लाइन ही error टा solve out कर देबी. Compiler काम होला जोठी मोर error आसिला सेठी stop हो और again compilation टा सेउ start हो. 90 रे stop होला तो 90 रो start हो. किंतु interpreter जदि use करिवि तो it is starting from the beginning, so which is very time consuming process. Then we are using portable. It refers to the ability of a program to run on any platform without changing the source code. तो बेले बेले कौन हुए हमें different ID रे program टा में लिखो. धर कितने बड़े Java टा में NetBeans ID रे लिखिबा तो एमती market रे Eclipse ID अच्छे different ID अच्छे. तो हमें जेकोनोसी ID use करिबा जेकोनोसी environment use करिबा, so we doesn't bother about your code. ना हमें जहाँ कोड गोटे एनवायरनमेंट रे लिखि दिबा से कोड टा हमर सब जगह रे यूज हबो. हमको कोनोसी एक्स्ट्रा लाइंस ऑफ कोड लिखियो पड़िबो. जेंति तमा सी लैंग्वेज हैला, सी लैंग्वेज रे कोन हबो जदि मो कोनोसी प्रोग्राम लिखुची, जदि मु टर्बो सी रे लिखुची जेन मु कन्वर्ट हे गली आ गोटे आईडी को, तो सेति सपोज नेट मु यूज करबे विजुअल स्टूडियो आईडी, सेति मते यूजिंग नेमस्पेस एसटीडी गोटे कोड लिखियो पड़िबो. तो एठी मते कोनोसी लाइन लिखिबा दरकार नहीं. तो ऑटोमेटिकली कोन होबो ना जावा प्रोग्रामिंग हमें जेते लिखिबा जे कोनोसी आईडी रे हमें यूज करिबा तो सब जगह रे हमर सेम इंफॉर्मेशन शो करियो. एनी डाउट टिल दिस? कार किछि डाउट अछि चारटा पॉइंट रे आस्क मी.
Hello, sir. Sir, can you repeat again compile and
compile and interpreted? Compiled माने होची हमारा जावा प्रोग्राम टा इंटरप्रेटर फास्ट इंटरप्रेटर काम करे. इंटरप्रेटर रो वर्क होची स्टेप बाय स्टेप हमारा एग्जीक्यूशन हो. माने स्टेप बाय स्टेप एग्जीक्यूशन हेले काम कर गोटे गोटे लाइन चेक होला तो जो लाइन में मोर एरर आसीबो से लाइन में मोर स्टॉप हे गला. किंतु कोन होला सपोज मोर 100 टा मो लाइन लिखुची, सपोज मोर 90 नंबर लाइन में एरर आसीला कि 99 नंबर लास्ट लाइन में पहुंची बार अछि, 99 नंबर ऑफ लाइन में जदि मोर एरर आसुची ताले कोन हबो ना मो प्रोग्राम टा मते पुनी बिगिनिंग को नै जिवो आरंभ रो पुनी कंपाइल. ओके, तो सेति पई कोन हबो कंपाइलर हमें यूज करते. जरा सपोज मोर 99 नंबर एरर आसीला, हमें सॉल्व आउट कले, सॉल्व कला परे से सेठी 99 लाइन रो ही मोर कंपाइलेशन स्टार्ट हो आ बिगिनिंग को जीवन. बुझेला? Okay. Any doubt, Madhu?
No, sir.
So next, I move to the another point.
Sir, ये जो अपन कहले नी Java supports OAP but not जो OOPS टा जो but not completely.
Java is designed for a distributed environment of the internet because it supports various internet protocols. such as TCP and IP. So what is the work of TCP? TCP work is what? Now it is converting all your requests into a small packet. आमे जिते request टा पठेवा सी आमर सब रिक्वेस्ट को छोटो छोटो पैकेट रे कन्वर्ट करियो. सपोज मु जीमेल को एक्सेस करबा को चाहूची तो जीमेल को एट ए टाइम billions of users are giving a request. So it is not possible, okay, for handling all the requests. तो TCP कौन करिवो से सब रिक्वेस्ट को छोटो छोटो पैकेट रे कन्वर्ट करियो. Every packet contain the sender address and receiver address, and IP contain the address where we are originating the request. मु रिक्वेस्ट टा कोठी ओरिजिनेट करूची हमर रेस्पॉन्स टा कोठी पहुंचे तार वर्क है आईपी एड्रेस का काम रहला. टीसीपी कौन करिवो सब रिक्वेस्ट को कन्वर्ट करिवो स्मॉल पैकेट. एवरी पैकेट कंटेन द सेंडर एंड रिसीवर एड्रेस. आईपी कंटेन द एड्रेस वेयर वी आर गिविंग आवर वैल्यू. सिक्योर. Java has built-in security feature that verify that the program do not perform any destructive tasks such as accessing the file on the remote system. हमें टीम व्यूअर रे प्रोग्राम देखुचे. टीम व्यूअर रे टीम हमें तर सपोज जने ओडिसा रे अछि से महाराष्ट्र रे गोटे सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉलेशन करबा चाहूची से रिमोटली नै के सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉलेशन करबो माने हमें सेठी कोन दोचे एक्सेसिबिलिटी दोचे जे से लोक से काम सेठी कर परिबो. किंतु if it is a Java based operating system, it doesn't modify or it cannot do any kind of write operation over there. मु केवल देखि परिबी. That means तमे जदी तम स्क्रीन रे किछि एक्सेस करियो मु देखि परिबी, but I cannot what visualize or I cannot what I visualize but I cannot do any kind of modification. So Java operating system is very secure. Your Android operating system, if you try, तमे जदि टीम व्यूअर ऑन करिकि जदि ताको जनकु दबो एक्सेस करिबा पई से ताको देखि परिबो स्क्रीन टा. किंतु जदि से चाहिबो जे ता मोबाइल लो तम मोबाइल को एक्सेस करिबा बा किछि अपडेट करिबो डिलीट करिबो करि परिबो. Because your Android operating system is backend by the Linux, which is completely written by the Java, so that you cannot modify. So Java is a built-in security feature. Any doubt in the 2 point?
No sir.
Adu?
No sir. Sir team viewer टा तो हमरा लैपटॉप माने से ये रे सपोर्ट करू छी माने से जगह रे माने जणे ही ताकू एक्सेस करि परियो माने अदर साइड तो माने ब्लैंक पेज है जे सेटा एपोर्ट साइड रो किछ एक्सेस करिवेनी से टाइम रे.
तमे काहा को देल तमे धरा मते कंट्रोल देले ना ताले मु सब किछि कर परिबी तम लैपटॉप बुझी होछि. किंतु तम मोबाइल रे टीम व्यूअर लोड कर मते दबा आईडी पासवर्ड आ मु जदी तम किछि मॉडिफिकेशन करिया चाहू मु करि परिबी. मु केवल देखि परिबी माने तमे स्क्रीन चलेले ही मु देखि परिबी मु किछि मॉडिफिकेशन करि.
हां रिमोट सिस्टम टा सेपोर्ट को पड़े आ कंट्रोल टा.
रिमोट सिस्टम टा केवल एडमिट पैकेट माने मु इंस्टॉल करछि मो पैकेट. किंतु आमे जदी लैपटॉप रे करिवो ताले बोथ सी भी करि परिबो तमे भी करि परिबो.
हां ओके सर. आज्ञा सर.
Various component of Java architectures are: one is Java Programming Language Class File, JVM, Java Application Programming Interface. So 3 things I have: Java Programming Language and Class File, JVM, Java Application Programming Interface. So first is Java Programming Language and Class File. Java program are saved with the extension of .java. So Java program ta hamara .java re store hobo. The JVM convert the byte code contained in the .class file to the machine code. जेतबेल मु जावा प्रोग्राम टा कंपाइल करूची से गोटे .class file ले रहियो. से जो हमर जदी कि सोर्स कोड टा को डिलीट कर दउची दैट इज डजंट मैटर. जदी मो पाखरे dot class file achi, so I can take that dot class file anywhere and I will get the result. The JVM convert the bytecode contained in the dot class file to the machine code, so that JVM needs to be implemented in each platform running on the different operating system. The different operating system रे तुमको run कर पाएगी जब भी पाखरे JVM ଅଛି. Okay, so JVM convert the dot class file to the machine code. So here first हमें store करिवा Java file by using of Java compiler bytecode रे convert होगा, bytecode रे machine code रे convert होगा by using of Java interpreter. एठी हमें यूज करिवा JIT compiler, just in time compiler. Clear? Okay, so in next class is on Thursday hogo, or Friday hogo next class. Okay, I will share the notes and all the videos. Okay, so you look after this. If you have any kind of doubt, you ask me. On the Thursday, same timing, we start the classes. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.